Guys, in case you want to make deposit, you want to make internal transfer, you want to make withdrawal, this is how you do it. First of all, you have to go and log in into your account. I've logged into my account already. Now I want to make deposit. You click deposit. Either deposit into your real account or into your demo account. But first of all, this is into your real account. So the first thing you do is, what's your account? I have several accounts, so let me use my spread account. I don't have money into my spread account. My spread type, my account type, what I have here is raw spread, so I'm using this particular one. Or let me use, I have um, let me use spread, this other one, MT4 spread. Now the deposit method you have to use, don't use WT. Could be right, but I don't use it. What I recommend for people is Nigerian bank transfer TNG. TNG, that's the particular one I use each time I'm making transfer. I can transfer to TNG. It goes. WT also works. Pay, they are all working, but TNG is what I use. Then you enter Naira, then your bank account number. So this is my phone number, already appears. If yours is not there, you put it. Then my bank account number, I enter my bank account number. Okay, appears. Then how many dollars am I to credit? How much are you depositing? Let me say I'm depositing $100, for example. $100. So $100 you can watch is 75,750, meaning $1 here is 75,000, 7,575 naira. So these are the procedure for you to make deposits. So what you now do is, remember you are using transfer, so I click deposit. So they are going to create an invoice for me. So it has generated an invoice right now for me to pay. So the given period days is 2 days, 1 hour and 59 minutes. So this is the countdown. So you need to make the deposit before this time finish. So you now click mobile banking. If you click this, the account you're meant to pay in this sum of money, pay exact, that same amount you're seeing here, that's the amount you pay. Then copy the account number and make transfer immediately. After 2 minutes, you will see it reflect immediately. Sometimes it doesn't even get to 2 minutes or a minute. So this is Wema Bank. So you just copy and you go to your bank and make the transfer, and make sure you have a screenshot of whatever thing you are doing. So that is how you can make deposits into your real. Now that is for deposit. In case you want to make internal transfer, for example, I want to push money from my standard account to my raw account. So all I just need to do is I'll click the account I'm withdrawing from, then I will also put the amount I am withdrawing from, then into the account I am paying into, then immediately you click transfer, it will go straight to that particular account. So that's how to make internal transfer. Now if you want to make deposits, you click, if you want to make withdrawal, you click withdrawal. For example, let's make a withdrawal here. Let's assume we want to make a withdrawal here. So when you click withdrawal, this is internal transfer. Okay, this is withdrawal. So the withdrawal portal has opened. You enter the account you want to make withdrawal from. So let's say I want to make withdrawal from any of my account. I just choose them. Then the withdrawal method, which withdrawal method do you want to use? So you use WT, Nigerian Local Bank USXD WT. So that's the local bank method I want to use in my withdrawal. You can also use the Visa and the MasterCard. So after doing that, then you place the sum of money you want to withdraw. Then after doing that, then the pin code you enter, get pin code. They will send you a pin code into your email. So after they send you the pin code, you need to enter the pin code into this column. Then you place withdrawal. By the time you do that, you will get your money. In 2 minutes time, you get your money. Exact money. Nothing will be deducted from it into your bank account that you registered with Justmarket. So this is how to make withdrawal. If you have any issue, you can go to support. This is support. Immediately the bot will chat you and will have live support. Immediately they will just chat you. Look at it. So their live support is efficient. So that's how you can do that. Then you can also go to you can also go to your if you have any issue, if it's beyond the bot, you can use your live chat. The bot will introduce you. If you want to speak with the personnel, if you said yes, immediately it will connect you to a personnel. Very efficient. Then you speak with the personnel. So that's how you can make withdrawals. The Justmarket is a good broker for anyone to use. Thank you so much, and God